Welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to create AI animations. So take a look at some of these examples which might intrigued you. Pretty interesting. So for these images, I've created two of these illustrations and other examples, as you can see on my desktop, using Midjourney and ChatGPT. If you want to know how to do that, then go to episode 2 of this tutorial series. And in this session, we're going to animate these images. So to do that, we're going to use a tool which is known as Pika. So I'm going to close this for now. And let's open Discord. There you go. So Pika, you can subscribe to the Discord. I'm going to share the link on the descriptions. So if you take a look at the Discord channel, there are tons of AI animation videos examples from the communities that you can use as learning reference, which is pretty exciting. As for this tutorial, we're going to chat privately with Pika. So click on Pika's name here and then type anything on the chat box. It'll direct you to the direct message. So this is the example. Okay, so in Pika, they have this command known as animate. So let's just click /animate and add some image or drag and drop some image. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this example. So I'm going to drag and drop. So you can actually add custom prompts if you wanted to, but for now, we're not going to add custom prompts. So you can see the difference between using prompts or without any prompts. So I'm going to enter, and then Pika will generate the AI animation videos for you. So we'll just have to wait for a moment. Okay, so let's take a look at the preview. Click on here and voila. I mean, doesn't look like what I wanted or expected, but if you don't like it, you can actually regenerate the animation, so it'll come with other variants. So this approach is similar to Midjourney. If you want to know more, go to episode 2 of this tutorial series. Okay, so while at it, I'm going to add another one with custom prompts. So I'm going to type /animate and then let's drag some image here, for example, and then let's add custom prompt. For example, I want this character to blink, so I'm going to type blinking for now. So enter, and we'll just have to wait for now. Okay, so the result of two processes here. So let's take a look at one of them. For example, this character. Okay, I mean, it's not necessarily blinking, but you'll get my point, which is you need to trial and error the prompts, but you can download the file if you wanted to for your projects. So I've downloaded some examples. So this is one of the example. So let's take a look. There you go. So it's blinking and talking. So essentially this tutorial shows you that, yeah, you can generate image using Midjourney and ChatGPT and then transform into animation with Pika. So hopefully this tutorial helpful for you, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.